Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech and Talk. So today we are going to see another feature from C# 9, that is record type, right? So first of all हम compare करते हैं class और record में क्या फ़र्क है, ठीक है? So this is a standard employee class, right? जिसमें name और address तो properties हैं इसकी. Let's create an object of this employee class. Var e is equal to new employee, right? And we have Usman and IBD for the address, right? We have created an object from employee class, right? And let's create an other object e2 is equal to let's make a copy of it, right? इसमें थोड़ी कंपैरिजन करने में हमें आसानी होगी. तो हमने e2 एक कॉपी बनाई e1 की, राइट? और e2 में हम चेंज करने जा रहे हैं इसका नेम टेस्ट, राइट? व्हाट यू से e1 शुड बी इक्वल टू e2, शुड दैट, राइट? या दैट शुड बी, बिकॉज ऑल दो प्रॉपर्टीज तो डिफरेंट हैं. बेसिकली ये उसकी कॉपी नहीं बनी, ये उसी को रेफर किए हमने एक और वेरिएबल को, उसी मेमोरी लोकेशन को, और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी हमने चेंज की. बेसिकली ई का नेम भी यहाँ पे टेस्ट हो गया, ठीक है? तो ये एक मेन डिफरेंस है क्लास में. क्लास में जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो वो रेफरेंसेस का कंपैरिजन होता है, वैल्यूज का कंपैरिजन नहीं होता. अब इसको रिकॉर्ड के लिए करते हैं, ठीक है? ये मैंने एग्जांपल देने के लिए इसको क्लास रखा हुआ था. नाउ लेट्स से इट्स अ रिकॉर्ड टाइप, राइट? एंड वी वांट टू मेक दैट and with the record type, what we can do that first and most interesting feature is the simplicity of while declaration of the records, right? While creating the defining our records. So हमने ये ऐसे बॉयलर प्लेट कोड सारा निकाल दिया बाहर, और ये देखें एक छोटी सी सिंगल लाइनर क्लास है हमारी अब, जो कि रिकॉर्ड टाइप है, और हमने कहा कि इसकी दो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, नेम और एड्रेस. नाउ दिस नेम एंड एड्रेस आर बाय डिफॉल्ट इन इट ओनली, राइट? वी कांट चेंज देम, राइट? सो दिस विल रिमेन सेम, एंड e2 is equal to e, right? और we can't change now e2 properties because this can be only changed in constructor or while creating the object, right? So now there comes the role of with keyword. With can be used to create a copy of a record type, right? And we can also change the values in with expression, राइट? सो अब क्या है कि हमारे पास एक e है और एक e2 है. e2 की एक प्रॉपर्टी एड्रेस हमने चेंज कर दी. लेट्स सी आर दे बोथ आर इक्वल और नॉट. यू कैन सी नो दे आर नॉट इक्वल. व्हाई दे आर नॉट इक्वल? बिकॉज record compares values, not the references. So this is the main difference between record and class. What if we used to have same address for both objects, and then we will compare? You can see the value is true because the values in both copies are same, right? So this record type is immutable. Every time we make a change with expression in a existing object, that will going to create a new copy of that object, right? So तो हमने डिस्कस किया shorthand for creating records, right? हमने डिस्कस किया with expression while creating objects of a record, right? And also we have discussed the equality, right? Record types compare the values, and the classes compare the object references, right? The last thing I want to share in this context is what was that one? Yeah, that is how we can create the object. So this is the standard way we do use, and basically this is somehow a bit shortcut of what we used to do previously, couple of versions back, that employee e is equal to new employee. So this is how the var variable, var type introduced. But now we can also do another thing that is totally opposite for the first one, right? Employee e3 is equal to new, and there you don't need to write any type, right? And you can just initialize with values, right? So this is a new addition to C#9, which is cool, right? So these are the 5 different things we have discussed. That first of all, class versus record, the reference comparison versus the value comparison. Second one was how to use with expression, right? How equality works in records, right? The shorthand of defining records, right? And by default the properties in records in shorthand are initial init only, right? We can just set them in constructor or with expression. And the last thing is this change while creating the object, that we can only use new keyword and directly assign values to the other side, a variable on other side which has the proper type, right? So that was it about the brief introduction about records in C#9. Hope we all will use them a lot in our projects from now. In case of any queries, question, please do ask, add comments on this video post or on my channel, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So have a good day till then next episode. Bye bye.